My dear children, this is the last topic in this chapter, that is how to recover the data from ROM and hard disk secondary devices, and we will also discuss the security issues in the memory. How data can be recovered from ROM? It depends upon the type of ROM again. How to recover data from magnetic tape? The procedure for recovering the data from magnetic tape is very specialized, and there are few organizations capable of successfully achieving this through their specialized software tool. And it depends upon the condition of the tape also. Then, how to recover the data from the hard disk? In hard disk, it is having a circuit. If the circuit is damaged, then it will be replaced and data will be recovered. This procedure is easy, but if the data lost from the disk track, then it becomes harder to recover. If files are removed due to command given mistakenly or formatted mistakenly and no data then after overwritten, then these can be recovered from Roca-like softwares. Or we can approach hard disk repair and recovery company for the same. They were also using same softwares. They work in specialized environment. Specialist who opens a hard disk and recover data bitwise. Bitwise means 0, 1 like that. That is too much harder process. We have to pay more cost. That is, it is more expensive. All the data recovery is more expensive while we are comparing the deletion. How data are recovered from pen drive? When the data are lost due to file system corruption or accidentally deleted and not overwritten, then the data recovery software can be used to recover the lost data. This software works at a hardware level and reach each memory cell for recovery. That means it is very easier to recover data from a pen drive. Only one thing you need to remember is not overwritten. It is very similar in the hard disk as well as in the ROM, RAM, every memory devices. It should not be overwritten. So if we are recovering, we will get only the overwritten portion. If you wrote anything in these memories, after deletion, you will get the overwritten materials only. So the deleted data can be recovered only if you are not overwritten the data again. Coming to the security issues. RAM is used to store sensitive non-persistence information in a lot of cases. Encryption keys would be a common example. Sometimes it is possible to remove RAM and place into another device to dump the contents. That is like pen drive. We can use RAM. It can be used for small amount of data. ROM. Customs ROM are open source and they have all chance to steal data. But the developers stick to their ethics and refrain from the purchase practices. Also, security teams watch what kind of additions are made to the source codes. Then, coming to the security issue, hard disk data. Once our computer becomes infected with a malware, a cyber criminal can hijack our computer and do almost anything they wish. A lot of malware these days is programmed to seek out valuable or sensitive data and send it back to the criminals. So be aware of your hard disk protection. You can use locks, passwords, username and passwords to protect your hard disk from cyber criminals. I think you're all clear about how to delete data, how to recover data, and what are all the security issues we are facing nowadays. We will discuss the security issues in any of the device in the last chapter of computer science. Thank you.